Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing my TPT 2024 goals. Now, I sat down and I really took a hard look at my shop and I found some very interesting things. And I really wanted to make the most out of the end of this year and have a solid plan in place for when January comes around so I can start off the year with a great plan to make new products. So, I did this kind of research of my shop. And I found some stuff that was just a little crazy. So I thought I was in year 2 or 3 of my TPT product creation. And really, I am in year 1. I just kind of marked the anniversary of year 1 and I'm moving my way towards year 2. So that is something that I found out. So in March 2022, I started taking my shop seriously. I had a total of 27 products, and these 27 products are the ones that I had been making for like 4 or 5 years. I've been just slowly adding products here and there, nothing serious. So when year 1 rolled around, that was March 2023, I did not make an income report video of my first year on TPT. I didn't, you know, review the number of products I had. I'm going to make this video, but theoretically, I had 84 products. And I came to that conclusion because on May 9th, 2023, I deleted 28 products. I made a video about it. I will link that in the description below. So that resulted in me having 56 products. So basically, I deleted pretty much all of the 27 products that were not selling in my shop originally. So, really, within a year, I made 56 products. Now, if you're interested in trying to figure out how many products you made within a specific month or a specific year, you could go to your product listings and see when it was last modified. If you've never modified it, the dates won't change, but if you have, it'll give a different date. So from March 2022 to March 2023, that is when my shop hit 1 year old. So on March 2024 is when my shop will hit 2 years old. And I really want to set goals so that my 2024 is successful. Now, there's a good chunk of time between October and December where I can wrap up my shop and still end the year on a great note. But I really want to be intentional with the products that I'm creating and the time I'm putting into it to make the largest impact possible. So, goal 1 is to be 1 month ahead on content. For me, I don't like being stressed out about having to get this product done before the month is over, before this holiday hits. So I want to be a month ahead on my content, and I will go into this further in a different video coming up soon. And my second goal is to focus on my YouTube content. For me, my YouTube content serves 2 purposes. The first is to share my TPT journey with everyone. I feel like if I can do it, I know anybody else can do it. And also, this really holds me accountable to make products for my TPT shop. So I like to be able to look back and see where was my shop in September, where was my shop in October. And I want to focus on creating my monthly income reports, as well as I like to create ideas that I'm going to be making for my shop and share it with other people so that hopefully we can grow on our TPT journey together. And goal 3 is to be at 90 products at the end of December. I hope this happens. If it doesn't, I'm not going to stress out about it. I just want to grow more. In an ideal world, I would love to be at 100 products. I feel like that would be best case scenario, but I'm not going to stress myself out about it. I know I'm putting work into my TPT shop, and it's just going to take some time. So these are my goals between October and December. Now, my goals for 2024. When December 2024 rolls around, I would love to have 175 products in my store. That would be amazing. I would love to be 1 month ahead in my content creation, and I would love to add evergreen products in my shop. This is one mistake that I really did early on was I created content that became dated. So from here on out, I do not want any content that will become dated, such as software tutorials. I created graphic design tutorials for middle school age kids, and every time a new software update came, I would have to re-record the video, and software updates all the time, and it was just a very time consuming process. So I don't want that. I want to create content that will be good 1 year from now to 10 years from now. There is great, content that you can create that is always going to be the same. Graphic design principles would be a great one to do. Art history, film theory, these are all backgrounds that I have within my degrees, so I kind of want to utilize that and put those evergreen products in my shop. So these are my goals for 2024. And I feel like I'm going to, between now and January, I'm going to continue to narrow down my list and become more specific and intentional with what I'm going to be creating. Also, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you for all the people who left a comment about the number of products they had in their shop and their income. And I felt like that really gave everyone a realistic view, and it started some great conversations within the discussion area. So in the comment section, discussion area, it was a great discussion. I loved seeing where everybody was at. So I wanted to say thank you for everyone who contributed to that. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and I will see you next time.